would be interested to know that how Photon Legal helps startups in their IP thing. And one very frequently asked question is that can we kind of patent our idea or how we can protect our idea basically?
Sure. So
Amit,
Photon
I
Legal.
also had the same question, and I would add on to that question also. If you can answer me this, we see a lot of licensing deal that happens outside. You know, FMCG process, probably somebody has come up with that, or like one of the e-tailer. Like I have come up with a process. Somebody has come up with a piece of technology, which to sell in the market is going to be very difficult. But if to sell to larger players, it can be great through licensing deals. Do you see a lot of these license deals happening? Or if so, how can we start doing that in India?
Excellent. So a bunch of excellent questions there. So let me tell you what Photon Legal does. What Photon Legal, for example, myself and my partners as well, we are engineers and lawyers. So we primarily do IP, and IP would mean patents and trademarks and copyright. So a lot of startups come to us primarily to protect their ideas. So they are at idea stage, but they know how the idea works. So if you know how the idea works, you can patent it. You need not have prototype for it. You need not do it. You need not implement it. For example, let's say if you tell me, Amit, I want to patent the idea this pen is flying. You can't patent the idea. Only if you tell me how the pen can fly, then you can patent the idea of a flying pen. So if you know the how part of the idea, then you can patent the idea. If you do not know the how part, you will not be able to patent the idea. So a lot of our clients, about 60% of our clients are in the US, 40% of clients are in India. These are two geographies we serve, uh, from deep tech, software, mechanical, different domains. Some people come to us at the idea stage when they know the idea is building up, and some people come to us after they've built a prototype. So, but we advise our companies, we advise our clients to come to us as early as possible, because if you are thinking something, somebody else in the world is also thinking the same thing, perhaps, most likely thinking the same thing, perhaps. And if you file first, that's when you have an invention date. That's when you have your mark on the ground. So that's one. Second question was, uh, how do you protect the idea? I think that question is I answered. Photon Legal is doing a lot of stuff for startups in India and the US, to help protect the ideas in India and US. As far as patent is concerned, you have to file the patent in different countries. If you're filing a patent in India, your invention is protected only in India. That means if you, let's say, filing a patent for this glass in India, this pen in India, then nobody in India will be able to make this pen, but people in the US will be able to make this pen. So if you do not want anybody in the US as well to make this pen, you have to file the same patent in the US as well. So that's why we help our clients file patent application in multiple countries: India, US, Canada, especially English speaking countries, Europe, where it's easy, it's not so expensive. If you go to Japan, China, it's a little more expensive. Now, talking about licensing, yes, so as far as patents are concerned, US is the country to file patents in. But yes, India has done a lot in the last few years to recognize IP, recognize patents, and these deals are also happening in India. So we have a bunch of clients. For example, one of our clients has filed a patent application for a vending machine for sugarcane juice. So if you know, sugarcane juice is a roadside ganne ka juice is a roadside commodity. Now this guy, one of our clients, their name is Canebot. They had filed a patent for a vending machine for ganne ka juice. We filed the patent in India. It's granted in India in about 8 months, which is one of the fastest in the world. 8 महीने में patent grant हो गया. US takes about 2.5 years. Japan takes about 12 months to grant a patent. China takes about 15 months to grant a patent. India में अभी 8-10 महीने में patent grant हो रहा है only for startups. If you have a startup certificate from DIPP, your patent can be granted in about a year's time. So now they are thinking of licensing this vending machine patent to, let's say, companies who are already in the vending machine business, let's say Pepsi or Coke, who have technology for vending machine. You license this patent to a vending machine company, or people who are already in the business, people who have sales channels, logistics figured out. You do not have to do it yourself. You just license the patent to all of these people who have things in place, logistics in place, technology in place, sales channels in place, and you're just making money on royalty. So yes, these are now happening in India from last few years, and the Modi government has done pretty well, at least in IP space. in India, patent was taking about 6-7 years to get a grant. Now it takes about 8 months, 9 months to get a grant in India, which is not bad. Did I answer your question, Abhishek and Arnab?
Wonderful. And I think you guys are perfectly suited for this, given your tech background and the legal background, because most of the time, patents, when it's filed, needs to be laid out in the technical way, which probably the entrepreneurs or the ideators might not be able to do that. Wonderful work you guys are doing. Very, very nice.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
One thing that if we are registered with MSME and the patent has been granted in India, then we can make an application to Government of India and they reimburse the expenditure which has been done on patent up to 1 lakh rupees to the company. So a lot of people don't know about this. So this can be very good for your clients.
Absolutely. So MSME का registration अगर आपके पास है, the Indian government gives you 1 lakh rupee upon the grant of the patent. And if you choose to file the patent, let's say in a foreign country, the Indian government gives you up to 5 lakh rupees for filing a patent application in a foreign country. Now, these grants are exceptional. Some of our clients have also obtained these grants, and these grants are coming from the government. It takes a little bit of time, but they do come in time.